Hey everyone, welcome to the Seeds of Success podcast, hosted by Dottie San Martin and myself, Orly Rivera. This show is your weekly dose of knowledge, insights, and actionable tips to transform centers into striking successes. Whether you're a seasoned industry professional or just stepping onto the lanes, we've got you covered. Dottie, it's another day, another podcast. I hope you have something for us today because, I didn't write anything down. I said, I'm gonna let Dottie have the subject today and come up with it.
I'm in the driver's seat today. What do you know? What I really wanted to talk about is you recently worked with a customer that was purchasing a new product, and you started working with that customer right as soon as they signed the deal, right?
Yeah.
And the results were really, really successful. And part of it was the fact that you started working with them ahead of time and you were able to start promoting that product long before the install ever happened, right?
Yeah, because I think a lot of people, I've worked with people before that sometimes people think, I'll be ready to start promoting this product once it's in my center and I've used it a few times, but that's not the case. You could start promoting a long time when you know what you have coming to you, because I'm there to help and I know about the product. So I'm going to kind of tell you a little bit about it before you even get it in there. So you're going to kind of think, you're going to feel that you know that product once it does get in there. So yeah, you got to take the time to start promoting that early.
Right. And we've talked a lot about making sure that you feel that the customer is a part of your journey, a part of the experience, and a part of what's going on. And when you are planning ahead of time and you are trying to get that customer to be a part of and to get them excited about what you're getting ready to do, you're doing it for them. So you want them to be excited about it. You want them to know what you're getting ready to do. Even things down to like sharing the excitement of the day the truck pulls up with the new product. That's exciting.
Yeah.
Share that with them, right?
Let's say I'm opening a movie theater. I'm not going to just build and get all these cool things inside there. And then the day I open, say, hey guys, by the way, we have a movie theater now open, because people are going to be like, oh, I didn't know about that. Well, I'll try to check it out later. But if you're like months in advance, hey, new movie theater coming to town. Look at our big screens that just came in. Look at our popcorn machine. Make sure June 15th, when we open up, 2026, you're there on the first day. Yeah, you want to promote that. You want to get people excited. You want them to feel like, they're going to be like, oh, there's that popcorn machine that they were talking about when they come in. Like, you want to promote it, and you want them to be, you want them to be ready to use those new products before you even have them.
Right. And you want them to know what that new product is going to do for them. What is their experience going to be like with this new product? We just launched a brand new product, Best NV. Well, with all of our products that we create at Cubica AMF, we even go so far as to create marketing material for you. So, and we do it like Best NV. There's a whole coming soon kit. Why? Because you need to start promoting right away. Same with other products, Neoverse or whatever other product there is out there. You want to start promoting that from the beginning to your customers and potential customers, the ones that you want to attract. But that's not all you do. That's not all you need to be doing beforehand, right, Orly?
Yeah.
We need to be preparing our staff, and we need to get, just like we're trying to get the customer on board with it and get the customer excited about it and let the customer know what this product is going to do for them and how the experience is going to be with this product. We need to do the very same thing with our employees. Don't just spring it on them. Oh, by the way, we got this product and we're going to start selling this today. No, bring them along. Share with them what it is that's going to happen, what this product has the capability of doing, how you explain it to the customer. You prepare them all along while all the paperwork is being done in the back and the install is being scheduled or the delivery, whatever the product is that you're buying, because it doesn't matter. You need to do the same for no matter what you're purchasing. Then be preparing your staff so they know what to do with it and they can get excited, because who's going to be your biggest advertiser once it comes in? Your employees.
Yeah. And then, and we've talked about it before. When somebody doesn't know about something in your center, it kind of makes them, like if somebody says, hey, if somebody says, hey, you work at that new bowling center that's opening in town. I heard you guys are going to have best NV scoring and, a brand new kiosk. Is it as cool as everybody makes sound? Oh, I don't know if we're going to have that's
Awesome.
envy. Yeah, I've never heard of that or what that is. And then that turns the customer to be like, oh, maybe it's not as cool as everybody's making it sound.
That's exactly right. And you know, Orly, you've heard me say this many times before, and I know that I've had people refer to me as the Energizer Bunny because I get very excited about things. I get excited, like at Bowl Expo, I get excited when I hear new things and I see new things. That is the enthusiasm that you want your employees to have. Why? Because that enthusiasm should carry over to your staff, to your customers. They should be so excited about the fact, oh my gosh, Orly, you will never believe we bought Best Envy. We're going to install it in our bowling center and you have no idea what it does. It does this and it does that. You're going to pick up on my excitement, right? You're going to want to try this. Oh my gosh, she's like crazy here. She's so excited about it. She wants to try Avatar Alley and she wants to do this and that. That's what we want to do to our employees. And that's easy to do. Talk to them about it. If nothing else, show them the digital brochure or show them the brochure that you picked up at Bowl Expo or whatever it is, whatever the product is. It doesn't have to be our product. If you're a restaurant and you just got some new piece of equipment and it's a soft serve machine and the kids are going to love it and blah, blah, blah. You need to start preparing your guests and your employees from day one. As soon as you know you're getting it.
Yeah. Yeah. That does rub. I mean, I think of it just in my house here. I might see a new recipe or somewhere I want to take the kids, and I'm like, hey, to my son, hey, look, I'm going to make this next week, this dessert or something. And then the next thing I know, I hear him telling my daughter, hey, did you see that? Did dad show you this dessert he's going to make? Oh, and then they're telling my wife, did dad show you, we're going to make this next week. And they're so excited. Everybody's getting excited about it. So yeah, once you show your excitement and you pass that on to somebody and it keeps going.
Yes. And Orly, we want to create contagious enthusiasm. It's super easy to do if you believe in what you're saying. If you believe in what you've seen, if you believe in what you've purchased and you're passionate about it, that enthusiasm is going to be contagious. Mm-hmm. I guarantee you, because, I don't take some pill that makes me enthusiastic about something. When I get excited, and you know this better than anybody else, Orly, because we work together on a daily basis. I don't do a very good job of containing my enthusiasm. It bubbles over everywhere. Yeah. I get excited about something, you're going to know I'm excited about something. And that's what we want to do. We want to share that enthusiasm. We want to share, you obviously believed in something if you are the owner or the manager and you purchased something. Now it's your job to let that enthusiasm overflow onto your staff and onto your customers and onto those that you want to be your customers. Yeah. And it's super easy. And as a company, I'm really excited that we give our customers a lot of those tools with their purchase. So we're creating professionally designed marketing material that if you're ready to start marketing, we've got the material for you and it's really easy for you to get. It's an online cloud-based portal. You can get all of that information, download it, and boom, you're ready to start promoting and generating that enthusiasm from day one.
Yeah, no, I love that when we can do that for a customer. We've had people that are like, what if, do you have anything I could put up like, how would I get like an advertisement for my screens above my lane? Oh, we have that. It's already fitted the right size. Oh, what about social media? Oh, we have that there too. You know what I mean? It's all there for them. So take advantage of it and use it. It's there.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And we try so hard. It is our goal. And I know this sounds kind of trivial, but we strive at every touch point with a customer for them to be successful because, and you've heard it many times before, their success is our success. We create things, we create products, we have amazing technology and amazing products, and we're creating them for our customers to be successful. And we want to equip those customers with everything that we can to make being successful as easy as possible. It starts with a great product and it is married with the tools and the resources that you need to make promoting and utilizing that product easy. So, make sure, start promoting. If you've purchased something, start promoting ASAP and get your employees and your customers and potential customers so excited they can hardly wait till it installs. So, all right. Well, listeners, thank you so much. I hope that if you've made any purchases or are planning on making any purchases, that you will keep this episode in mind and you will start from day one of signing that deal and start promoting your product so that you can maximize the success that you have with that product. Thank you so much, as always, for being a part of today's episode of Seeds of Success. With decades of industry experience, we are honored to share ideas and trends and tips designed to help entertainment centers or really any business thrive and grow. Together, we're planting seeds for a stronger, more successful future. Share this podcast, subscribe to this podcast, and share it with your industry friends, your teammates, your colleagues, because the more seeds we sow, the greater the harvest. Until next time, let's continue to build success, one happy guest and one incredible experience at a time.